Hi all, my name is Aditya. Code exchange and AI powered using chat Bison. Problem statements enable the effortless code translation, assist the developers and elaborate collaboration, code usability across the projects, improve the code readability. Problem statement that includes problem statement 1 I am trying to and many more PS1 and PS2, that is problem statement 1 and problem statement 2, a developer, a development team member. This is the planning which includes a sprint, functional requirement, user and priority, team members and yes, other data. In this data collection planning of the code using chat by Palm Chat with project overview, code exchange development of project overview includes the code of the project, the data collection plan, objective, together the complete data set, and the chat bison 001, and is the data code snippet library sources website like Greeks for Greeks, Stack Overflow, and education platforms. Developer contributions. Create a submission platform or use of existing forms to allow the developers to contribute. And manual translation. Action hire experts or house in the developers to manually translate the selected code snippets, ensuring the data accuracy and diversity. Code snippets. Define the data types. Code snippets define short self-contained pieces of code, collect a wide range of snippets across addressing the different functions and algorithm. Code bases description larger and comprehensive and code bases in real world application. Gather the entire projects or modules in test ability to handle the complex translation. Documentation describe the comments and documentation and explanation within the code. Action to ensure implement a data collection method, automated scraping, use of beautiful soup and scraps, etc. API access platform like GitHub and GitLab. Utilize the API access and download the repository systematically, ensuring the coverages across various languages and projects. Community engagement. Engagement with the developer communities via forms of social media and coding events engage the contributions of diverse code samples. Crowdsourcing. Action of crowdsourcing mechanism where developers can submit the code snippets and the translations perhaps through the decided website integration within the existing code platform. Data preparation cleaning. Actually, not remove the elements and redundant data. Ensure the code is semantically correct and automated the manual reviews. Labeling include label code snippets, respective program languages and media which are metadata such as project type and function. Formatting ensure the formatting of across the dataset. Anonymization the strip out of any sensitive information or personal data in the code. Data validation manual review. Conduct a manual review. Automated testing. The manual reviews of the collected data and ensure the quantity of the automated testing. And data storage and management database includes version control, access control, implementation of the version of system like Git and access control setup and access across the secure data and manage. Access control setup an ethical consideration, comprehensive action, ensure all data activities are legal and ethical. Privacy, protect the privacy of developers, analyzing any personal information found in the collective. Training include validation, testing, and prompt into input of the code. Select the source language, select the target language, receive the translated code. Supported languages C, C++, Java, Python, JavaScript. Guidelines to accurate ensure the translated code perceives the original and logic functions. Prompt for the code translation. Enter your code in the text after the subenter the code translation. And data collection and planning steps. Data objectives. Select the data sources. Open source GitHub and GitLab. Data collection methods. Extract the data, prepare the data, validate the data, store the manage the data, ethical consideration, user data review and update. Summary: the data collection of the plan for data collection plan for the code exchange project is designed to gather a device and a high quality data set to train and validate chat bison 001 model. Accurate code translation: the plan involves the collecting of the samples for the open source repositories and code snippet libraries developers contribute, and manual translation. Automated tools, API access, communication, engagement, and crowdsourcing will be utilized in the by the wide range of code snippets and